Hi, I'm going to give you one more example problem for finding the charge on an ion. And so this problem says that we need to find a compound made of 2 aluminum atoms and 3 atoms of sulfur. And so you do have one hint from the past already, and that is that earlier, or actually last Friday, you found out that sulfur should have a 2 minus charge. So since sulfur has a 2 minus charge, that's going to help us later on in this problem. First, it says write the formula though. So it says aluminum, 2 aluminum atoms, and so I'm going to write 2 aluminum atoms, Al2. I'm going to highlight that. Whoops, I don't want to highlight the L, just the 2. And I'm going to write a control comma and make that subscript. And now I have 3 atoms of sulfur. And so I'm going to have to write control comma again to make my cursor large. Type in a large S. And then I'm going to have to, I'm sorry. Oh, no, this is correct. And now I have 3 atoms of sulfur. So I'm going to write the 3. And then I am going to highlight that, and I'm going to write control comma, and then a control comma to make my cursor large again. So I've got my aluminum sulfide. And now I'm going to draw a particle diagram for this one. So I'm going to put my cursor here, and then I'm going to go to insert. I'm going to go to drawing. I'm going to go to new. And remember, last Friday you did one where you found the charge on sulfur. It was a -2, so we're going to remember that for making this drawing. I'm going to scribble, and let's see, aluminum, there were 2 aluminums. So I'm going to draw 2 aluminums as circles, and let's see, I think I can draw them just like this. All right, now you have a choice. You don't know how actually you would draw them, but I will tell you that molecules are usually symmetric. They're the same one way as another. All right, now there's 2 aluminums and then there were 3 sulfurs. So I'm drawing 3 triangles. So there's one triangle. Here's another triangle over here. And here's a third triangle over here. And there we have our sulfurs. All right. Now, last week you learned that sulfur is a -2. So I'm going to draw in some minuses in those sulfurs, and minuses in the sulfurs, and minuses in the sulfur. So each sulfur is a -2. Now, what does that mean the aluminums are going to be? Well, I have 2, 4, 6 minus charges. Overall, this compound must be neutral. So there must be 6 positive charges also. So I'm going to put in a positive charge here, 1 positive charge, put one on the other aluminum, put one here, put one here, and I need 2 more positive charges because I need a total of +6. So there's one more positive charge, there's one more positive charge. There's my particle drawing for aluminum sulfide. All right, aluminum's a +3 and sulfur is a -2. And so now I need to draw the ion formula for each ion. Let's see, aluminum, there's aluminum, and I know that it's a 3+. And I'm going to come back and I'm going to make that as an exponent. That's control period. I'm going to write control period again, just so my cursor gets large. Then I'm going to go over here and I'm going to write the sulfur. There's my sulfur. And then I'm going to write a -2 or a 2- for the sulfur. And then I'm going to write a control period. And there. I've now written my formulas for each ion. So you need to go through that process. Watch these videos again if you need to be able to do the assignment for today.